Hello, my name is Carly from the CPAP shop, and today we're going to review how to replace the Philips Respironics Amara View full face mask cushion. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews, how-to videos, and much more. This cushion fits securely around a user's mouth and nose, ensuring a seal that is intact and will deliver a positive pressure all night during therapy. The cushion is made with silicone material and offers maximum comfort with less irritation on the face. It is available in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large, so users can get the most customized fit for their face and nose shape and size. To remove this cushion, simply detach the magnetic clips and pull the Velcro straps out of the frame. Then, gently pull apart the frame from the cushion. To replace, grab your new cushion and gently push it back into the frame. You'll hear a soft click when they connect. Then, reattach the magnetic clips and headgear straps the same way you took them out. Your new cushion is now ready for use. We wish you luck with your CPAP therapy. Please leave any comments or questions down below and check out all of the products we offer at thecpapshop.com. Call us with any questions at 866-414-9700. Our helpful staff would be happy to speak with you. Thanks for watching.